What is up, YouTube? Boxman 29 Productions here again. Why did I just say Productions in my name? Anyways, today I'm going to be reviewing 3 snacks I got today. I was at the store today and saw 3 snacks that looked interesting. One of them my brother-in-law recommended to me. And here are the snacks. I have Takis Intense Nacho, Goldfish Seasoned with Old Bay. Never had Old Bay, so this is going to be something. And Skittles Popped. These are basically freeze-dried Skittles, which I've never had, but I'm going to for the first time ever with these. So, first thing I'm going to review, Takis Intense Nacho. These are basically nacho cheese flavored Takis. They're not spicy, as it says right there on the bag. You see? Right there in the bag. I reviewed 2 other Takis flavors, Fuego and Blue Heat. Well, this is the 3rd flavor I'm trying. So let's get to it. They smell cheesy because it's nacho cheese flavored. Anyways, they look like on the inside. So let's try them. Here's one. Right there. Let's try it. Ooh! They're kind of like a nacho cheese Dorito. Yeah, they taste like nacho cheese Doritos. I like them. Thumbs up on that one. And now we're gonna try the limited edition Goldfish Old Bay Seasoned flavor. Again, I've never had Old Bay, so this is gonna be something. So let me open it. Okay, here they are. Let's smell them. Woo-hoo. They smell weird. I'm gonna try to get one out. I got one. There we go. Texture. All right, let's try it. Wow, Old Bay is good, but I think Goldfish and Old Bay seasoning is a very mid mix. I'm not sure about fishy, but let me try another. Yeah, very mid. They're okay, but they're not terrible. They're okay. And lastly, Skittles Popped Original Flavor. These are freeze-dried Skittles. Again, never had freeze-dried Skittles before. So this is going to be my first time. Let me open the bag for you guys. Ooh, they look good. They look interesting. Look like freeze-dried Skittles. I've seen pictures of them on the internet. Here's what they look like. First, I'm gonna try a little red one. That's what they look like up close. So yeah, here we go. trying a handful now. I like how they're crunchy Skittles. Because the chewy ones can make my teeth, my molar teeth, feel a little weird. Make the gums feel a little weird. But these I haven't had a problem with yet. There's my handful. Now I'm going to pop them in my mouth. Yeah. Freeze-dried Skittles are amazing. So, my final ratings for each snack. Again, intense nacho Takis. I give these probably like an 8 out of a 10. Maybe 8.1. Yeah, 8.1 out of 10 I give these. These right here, I give a 6.5 out of 10. They're okay. They're not the best Goldfish flavor I've had. But Old Bay is good, though. I just don't really care for it on a Goldfish cracker. No, these are amazing. These get a 9.5 out of 10. Congratulations, Skittles Pop. You're the highest rated. I'm gonna have another handful for celebration for this getting the highest review for me. Alright, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, comment, rate, and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Sorry, my autism was kicking in. No bashing that I have autism in the comments. If you do, you will be blocked and reported. See ya.